A little bit, yeah. No.
Got slightly stripped interior. And a chunky turbo. Oh yeah. Look at that. Sucker's wicked. And an Audi steering wheel. Oh yeah. And a big old bottle of nitrous in the back. Look at that. Little minivan. Right hand drive manual. Oh yeah. Vertical bug. Little white one right here. Nice wheels. Oh, there's a red one pulling in. Right there. Cool deal. The orange one. Cool little motor. I like these wheels on it. Really nice. Nice little lime green one right here. A little taco, like that. Very premium interior. And you know, of course, gotta bring my bug. Got that safari windshield. My nice painted gold wheels. Mr. Scully right there in my passenger sidekick. Pop up rear windows. Got my slammed shopping cart on top, the roof rack. Got my slightly modified engine with a boom boom pipe. Yeah, got my luggage cart on this side. Oh yeah, look at all that. It's decent enough. I got my Craftsman shifter right there, so I can, you know, shift. Another one, he's got a surfboard on top of it. Look at that. He's got a Volkswagen bus shifter in this one. A little rat rod kind of style. Oh yeah. Got the chrome wheels front and back. I like it. This right here to pop out rear windows. Wood steering wheel. Oh yeah. Nice leather interior. Quite nice. This one got a surfboard. This one big old dish wheels. Oh yeah, I love it. It'll be the rust. It'll be all right. This one right here actually used to belong. This red one used to belong to our mailman, and he sold it to another one of my other buddies. It's pretty nice. Got a nice little NRG racing seat. I love it. A little black bug. All blacked out. cool. Love it. Just love it. That's pretty red. Sunroof. Speakers.
Yeah. How you doing?
Good, and y'all?
Good.
Had two misfits show up at the bug show. Oh, back to Volkswagen. Pretty red. Nice, pretty yellow one. Look at that shifter right there. Oh, yeah. Skis on top and the gas tank and the cooler. Oh, yeah.